Are you looking for some new and fun things to do while camping? Well, stay tuned. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. You know, whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. I'm so excited to share with you some of the things that we like to do when we're camping. You know, we are at our family reunion this week down here at the Capitol Reef National Park. And can I just tell you, it is gorgeous. And so John and I are in charge of entertainment. And so I just sent everybody off on a hike, and we are going to get some fun activities ready. So let me share with you what we have planned. First off is a campfire. You know, campfires are the essence of camping. It's like peanut butter and jelly. They just go together. But here in Utah, we have a statewide fire restriction that goes through the entire summer. You know, it's just really dry here, as it is with different parts of the country. So does that mean you can't have a campfire? Well, no, not if you have a propane fire pit. Now, propane fire pits are ideal. In fact, John and I take ours every single time we camp because, you know, like last summer, we were never sure if we could have a campfire. So it's just great to have it along with you. Now, you can pick these up anywhere, Amazon, Walmart. Our particular fire pit, John has made. And if you are interested, stay tuned for an upcoming video where he's going to walk you step by step on how to make your own fire pit. You know, campfires are so awesome. They just set the mood for a wonderful tone when you're camping. We like to sit around campfires and share stories and laugh and play guitar. Who doesn't love a good campfire? So this next idea is a hit, especially with large groups of people, and it's what I call the candy bar game. So let me show you how to play it. All right, so this is how we play the candy bar game. I like to go to the Dollar Tree and just pick up a fun bunch of surprises. Not necessarily candy bars, but all sorts of different candies or little treasures. Now, you just want to get one of each little treasure. You don't want to have duplicates of any of these. So what you do is you start out with all your fun treasures in the center of a table, and everybody sits around it. And then you'll want to get some dice, and we like to put these either in a pie tin or a bowl. It just makes it easier to pass around in a big circle. We're going to be having, you know, 25 to 30 people here tonight, so we're going to use 2 sets of dice. And as everyone sits in a circle, we'll pass around the dice. If you get a 7 or 11, you run up to the table and you grab one of your items, and that's yours to keep for the time being. Now, as the dice goes around the circle, if you get a 7 or 11, once again, you can grab an item from the center of the table, or you can ask somebody for an item that you saw them take. Now, if they don't have that item, they get to ask you for an item. So it's really fun because everybody's excited grabbing things and stealing from each other. Now, if you do get doubles, you get to roll again. Otherwise, the dice continues to roll around until all the items in the center of the table are gone. It's so much fun and it's a hit. And now for our most favorite. We love to do outdoor movies. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Now, we purchased the white screen and the projector off Amazon, and what a good purchase that was. We do this time and time again, and everybody loves it. So I'll leave the links below if you're interested in checking these things out. But, you know, if it wasn't too windy, you could also hang up a white sheet and it would probably still do the trick. So when the sun goes down, we gather everybody around the big screen, pass around the popcorn, and we are in for a fun night of movies. So what do you think of these ideas? You know, I'm sure that you have just as many fun ideas. In fact, we would love it if you would share your ideas in the comments below so that all of our viewers can see what you like to do and we can all have more fun. Hey, if you got some value out of the video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.